Welcome to AQUA's application installation tutorial for Android devices. In this tutorial, we will show you how to install an AQUA app on your Android device. In order to install AQUA apps, we must complete a one-time configuration of the Android device. We begin by finding and clicking on the Settings application icon on the Android device. Once in Settings, click the Display option. In the Display option, click the Sleep option. For the sleep options, we recommend setting your sleep setting to greater than 5 minutes, or the recommended 10 minutes. Now click Cancel. From Settings again, click the Security option. Underneath the Security options, ensure that the check mark for Unknown Sources, allow installation of apps from sources other than the Play Store, is checked. You may be prompted with a security warning. If so, press OK and return back to the settings screen. From the settings screen, click the Location option. From here, turn on GPS. This may involve simply sliding the off button to the on button or by clicking a check mark allowing GPS location tracking. You may be prompted with the location consent dialog. If so, we recommend that you simply agree. This concludes the one-time setup of an Android device. The previous steps do not need to be repeated unless you are trying to configure a new Android device. We will begin the actual app installation part of the tutorial by showing you how to install an app that was sent to you by email via a link. While we assume you are using an application email client, the same basic steps can be followed if you are using a web-based client. In this tutorial, we use the Gmail application. We simply check our email on the tablet and click the link related to the application that we wish to install. You may receive a prompt that this file may be harmful. If so, simply click OK, as it is not harmful. It may feel like nothing has happened, or you may have missed the message that says starting download. But if you look at the top left-hand corner of your screen, you will notice a down arrow with a line underneath it, indicating that a download has been started or has been completed. You have two options for which to access and install the downloaded application. Once the download has completed, the first option is to simply go to all your applications, find the application called Downloads, and tap it. Once this opens, you'll notice that the first item typically is the item of the application you're trying to install. Simply tap this application in order to install it. For the second option, simply use your finger to pull down the downloads at the top left-hand corner of the screen. Simply click on the downloaded application. It should say Download Complete underneath it. You should now be prompted to install the actual application. Click any screens that require a next until you finally get to the screen that says Install and click Install. You will receive a message that the application has installed. Simply press the Open option in order to launch the application. This tutorial is now complete.